Yo, what's up everybody, it's Globe Trekker. Planning your next big adventure? Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a first-time flyer, you know the right gear can make or break your trip. That's why we're diving deep into the world of travel accessories with 5 must-have products from Amazon that will completely change your travel game. We're talking next-level comfort, insane space-saving organization hacks, and tech that's gonna have you capturing those travel memories in stunning detail. And the best part, you can grab all of these right now on Amazon. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to upgrade your travel experience because we're about to break down each of these awesome accessories one by one. Let's go. First up, we're tackling one of the most essential travel accessories, the travel pillow. We've all been there, stuck on a long flight with a crick in our neck. The Adofys travel pillow is here to change the game. It's engineered with premium memory foam that conforms to your neck. Seriously, it feels like you're resting on a pile of marshmallows. Designed with ergonomics in mind, it provides proper neck alignment. And it's super portable, packing down to a fraction of its size. Plus, it comes with a washable cover. If you're tired of stiff necks, check out the Adofys travel pillow. A link to the pillow is down in the description below. Next up, we're talking organization, and the Monge 7 PC's travel organizer set is here to upgrade your packing game. Packing can be a chaotic mess of tangled clothes and forgotten toiletries, but this set, it's a game changer. 7 different size cubes compartmentalize your suitcase. Dedicated cubes for shirts, pants, underwear, shoes. It's like having mini drawers inside your luggage. Maximize space and compress your clothes. Pack more without sacrificing suitcase space. You won't believe how much you can fit. Made from durable, water-resistant material. Breathable mesh panels keep clothes fresh. No more digging for that one sock. No more wrinkles. Maximize space, minimize stress, and keep your belongings organized. Once you go organized, you'll never go back. Check out the link in the description below to grab your set. Now let's talk tech. If you're looking to capture those epic travel moments in stunning detail, the GoPro Hero 12 is the ultimate travel companion. This tiny but mighty camera is jam-packed with features that make it perfect for capturing everything from breathtaking landscapes to adrenaline-pumping adventures. The Hero 12 shoots in crisp 5.3K resolution, capturing every detail with incredible clarity. Whether you're wandering through ancient ruins or catching the perfect sunset, your footage is going to look absolutely incredible. GoPro's Hyper-Smooth 6.0 stabilization is like having a built-in gimbal, keeping your footage buttery smooth, even when you're on the move. So whether you're hiking, biking, or just exploring a new city, you can say goodbye to shaky footage. This camera is built tough. It's waterproof, dustproof, and can handle pretty much anything you throw at it. The Hero 12 isn't just for extreme adventures. Its compact size makes it super portable, and the front-facing screen lets you frame your shots perfectly. From epic landscapes to everyday adventures, the GoPro Hero 12 is a must-have for any traveler who wants to capture and share their experiences in stunning detail. Check out the link in the description below to grab yours. Alright, let's talk about one of those essential, yet often overlooked travel accessories, the universal adapter. If you're traveling internationally, you know that different countries use different plug types, which can be a major headache when you're trying to charge your devices. That's where the universal adapter comes in. Think of it as your passport to power, ensuring that you can charge your phone, laptop, camera, and other devices no matter where you are in the world. This compact and lightweight adapter typically features multiple plug configurations, covering a wide range of countries and regions. Many universal adapters now come with built-in surge protection to keep your devices safe from voltage fluctuations. Trust me, having a universal adapter in your travel bag is an absolute must. It's one less thing to worry about, and it ensures that you can stay connected and powered up throughout your travels. Speaking of staying powered up, let's talk about another travel essential, the power bank. In today's hyper-connected world, our smartphones, tablets, and other devices have become indispensable travel companions. Enter the power bank, a portable battery charger that lets you juice up your devices wherever you are. Whether you're on a long flight, exploring a new city, or hiking through the wilderness, a power bank ensures that you can stay connected, capture those Instagram-worthy moments, and navigate your way around without worrying about your phone dying at the worst possible time. Power banks come in various sizes and capacities to suit your needs. Look for power banks with multiple charging ports so you can charge multiple devices simultaneously. And for added convenience, consider a power bank with fast charging capabilities to minimize your charging time. Trust me, a power bank is a lifesaver, especially on long travel days or when you're out exploring all day. So there you have it, folks, our top 5 must-have travel accessories that are guaranteed to upgrade your next adventure. From the ultimate neck support of the Adofys travel pillow to the game-changing organization of the Mange packing cubes, these products are all about enhancing your comfort, convenience, and overall travel experience. The GoPro Hero 12 lets you capture your travels in stunning detail, while the universal adapter and power bank keep you powered up and connected no matter where you roam. If you're ready to step up your travel game, be sure to check out the links to all of these awesome products down in the description below. And while you're down there, let me know in the comments which of these travel accessories you're most excited to try out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.